What's up, you all? It's Timstuh. Today we are reviewing the Aukeygaming RGB headphone stand. We're going to get an in-depth review, some unboxing, and some things it's compatible with, and just my overall insights, recommendations, and more. So before we get right into it, I just want to say thank y'all so much for 140,000 followers on TikTok. Thank you for our Twitch following of over 1,200, and thank you for our growing community here on YouTube. And also a huge shout out to Aukeygaming for sending out this RGB headphone stand to really give us some aesthetics in our streaming essentials and our setup and just the overall compatibility, and who doesn't love RGB, right? So let's go ahead and get right into the review. So when they sent this over to me, I was excited. They do have a full set. This is the first of my series with the Aukeygaming. So to go over some of the aspects of the headphone stand, it does come separate in just two pieces. That has the actual headphone port where it comes where you can lay your headphones on, and then it also has a bottom platform, a foundation, as you would say, kind of as you were essentially building a tower. Now this tower is pretty cool. I like the shape of it. It feels real quality. I like the way it feels on top, and as it goes down, it kind of just expands into a cool triangle formation. I like that. And then the Aukeygaming looks real sleek. And with the attachments, I'm gonna attach some of the things that we were from unboxing and more, and you can see on the attached video that it lights up right here on that bottom foundational component, which I really love a lot. And also on the bottom is where kind of the RGB really gets that aesthetic appeal and where it can separate itself. So I really love that. So my main thing that I really love about this is that I plugged it into my Xbox. It does work on Xbox, so it's definitely gonna work on PC. But two things that really take this to the next level, in my vast opinion, of course, guys. One of them is that when you could plug it into your phone. I used the iPhone adapter to a USB, and it was able to still light it up on the RGB notion. But another cool thing that I really like is right here is you can see that it works as a USB hub because, of course, it's actual USB. So what I'm getting this right here, it's a USB already, and so therefore when you plug it in, it works as its own mini USB hub. So now we got a USB hub and a headphone stand. That's pretty dope, and I think what Aukeygaming really excels at, the logo, it looks real fresh. I like the appeal, just the in-depth criteria of this setup. It has a rubber padding right here, so it can really limit the slipping around, which I really enjoy that much, especially if you have more of a prestige gaming desk. I think that's pretty cool. The RGB aesthetics actually is really cool. It provides something that just obviously is gonna match a PC very much, especially if you have your RGB aspects on your PC. It really will match that PC formatability. So I really like that so much. It only was a two-piece. It comes in, only this part comes out. You can see it really detached at this moment right here. And some things that still would blow my mind on this headphone stand that really sets it apart from different quality of it. The quality, they tend to really deliver on the quality of it, and just being able to have that leverage hook. I like that. It can hold that, especially if you have headphones that you really care about. Of course, you really want them to be held on a firm source, and I really love that. So the headphones really stay on here. They don't really have that fall off aspect. Like I have it right here. Really enjoy that. Now guys, there you go. So they do that. I think that's awesome, just to help you out with more wire management. I mean, who doesn't love wire management? Headphone stand, from it being a USB, especially those that are looking for a USB hub. This is my recommendation, of course, is if you're looking for a USB hub, you can't go wrong with this headphone stand that has the additional USB ports. Also, the RGB is pretty sleek for its component, and I would say it just looks it looks quality. It's a non-slip aspect, and it holds the headphones really good. You can see the headphones on here. I mean, you would have to really shake and jiggle it a little bit in order for it to fall off. But I mean, all in all, I definitely love these. So great job, Aukeygaming. And I just do want to thank y'all for sending this out to us, because it will be added to our stream setup, because we never had a headphone stand. So this is something that's gonna be pretty cool. I like the USB mini hub component, where it just gives you all the extra essentials, and then the lighting looks really amazing. You can see it from the side, branched off a little bit on the trimming of it, and it still is just enough though to where it doesn't overdo the aspect of it. So I really love it. I think it's something that's cool. It's an easy setup, and there's nothing too difficult about it, and therefore Aukeygaming, good job. I really appreciate y'all for sending this out to me, and it's something that I can add to my arsenal now. So I hope you can add it to your arsenal and your aesthetics. Aukey, much love to you all. And guys, if you still want to see more reviews and more value, more tech insights, and just everything what we do, hit us up, give us a thumbs up, hit us up with a subscribe, and don't forget to hit us up on the TikTok community where we do our tech talks, and then on all platforms. We also created a Patreon just for you all, so if y'all want to continue to show support, we can continue to give y'all value every single day. That allows for us to keep it moving, staying inspired, and it's all thanks to you all. If y'all want to create that additional support and just be with us in the famo base, you feel me? So yeah, I thank y'all so much. Y'all have a good one, and peace.